Slush is inspiration.
Slush is dazzling.
Slush is window for the future. Well, I've been working with Slush now for 12 years, so I have to say this year it's coming back.
Slush is surreal.
Slush is buzzing.
Slush is big energy. It's great. It's been my 6th time coming back in a row, and it still surprises me the amount of founders, investors, corporates. The energy is very big.
From the opening keynote to just some of the tech startups they've got here, absolutely brilliant.
Slush is when you find your way here, you find it everywhere in the world.